guys, check this out. All of this is bad. It's loaded too. Time sensitive. Lead dust. Stuff will make your pee turn green. If it sits more than 3 days, it starts to turn to rock, and then they gotta cut the sides open to get it out. I gotta get on the horn and find out where these parts are. All right, you guys, so this, welcome to my channel. So this tire blew, and when it started slapping around before it cut loose into traffic, it beat the crap out of all of this. So let's fix it. Hopefully I don't have to use no penetrating oil. Really kind of worried about this bend here. Making things fit right. This thing is all jacked up. Ah. That tire's in the way. Might have to burn that one. I'll figure it out. Sounds like I'm running out of gas. got my jug. Oh, got a bee's nest there. Tire looks a little puffy, so work with these guys all the time. Work for these guys, actually. I didn't change this one because that's the one that popped on the road. Just got to check the alignment and everything, make sure it's running straight. Up. Hit stop. Sturgis, Spike Week. How do I flip this? I don't know. Funny how when you push stop, you can see the flip button. Check it out. It's ready to go. It's 80,000 pounds. If you guys don't want to flip that into some kind of metric, well, that's a lot. Let's just go that way. It's a lot of weight. And it's lead oxide. So it's very hazardous, corrosive. And I mean lead and oxide. I don't want to deal with either one of those things. So this is going off to the shop in the morning. Got a couple guys, chase cars and stuff like that. Make sure it gets there safely for everybody. And we should be just fine. There you go. Over and out. You want to see the oldest Shell station? It's on my way home from where I was just at. Could you imagine? I'm not sure how old it is. There's no plaque or anything. I've been looking at it for years. Isn't it a trip? Where do you work? I work in a big Shell. Let's go home. You know? Working here would be crazy.